If your DC solar system utilizes Tigo RSS transmitters and modules, it can be integrated into the sanctuary system. Each PV string should include RSS modules as installed per the manufacturer's instructions. The RSS transmitter can then be connected into the inverter using the designated 12-volt DC and ground power terminals on the inverter control board to supply power to the RSS transmitter. When either shutdown button on the inverter is pressed, or when AC power is removed, the inverter will stop the 12-volt output, triggering the Tigo RSS system to shut down the PV strings. For setups with multiple inverters, only one inverter needs to power the RSS transmitter. The shutdown button on any connected inverter will activate the transmitter. Always refer to the transmitter's user manual for proper wiring and mounting instructions.